everybody, it's Adventurous Ty. We're here at the Jolla Sea Cave Kayak. I've got about 40 people that have decided they want to do this adventure with me. I'm excited, I'm happy, I'm nervous, I'm overwhelmed. I think I'm a little feeling a little anxious here, but I'm ready to do this. We're gonna follow each other, have fun. We're gonna enjoy this. A lot of people don't know each other, so a lot of people meeting each other for the first time, but we're gonna have a blast. I'm so glad and so excited that people have decided to get in on this adventure and this particular event. We're going to rock this ocean. I know what y'all thinking. I already know, and I understand. But see, this woman right here, who's over to the left of me, encouraged me to look like this. So this is why my setup is so bright and so bold, because if anything should happen, I need to be visibly seen in the ocean. But I don't care. I don't care what you think. This is me. This is all of me, and I've come to enjoy this and to survive it. Okay, to go. Okay, go. All right. The boat that's in front of us is my friend. Woohoo! Come on, come on! Woo! My stomach's a little woo. I'm just a little woozy, but I'm trying to concentrate. I can't talk right now. So this was actually a real experience for me. I know I'm adventurous, and I know people, you know, follow us and hang out with us, but this particular adventure really got to me. I am a little nauseous and a little seasick. Going out there was great. It was fabulous. It was smooth. I mean, I kind of anticipated a little bit more unnervingness. The butterflies was in my stomach. But the going was great, but once we got out to those caves, my stomach, my body, my head, everything was just collapsing. It was just all falling apart. But I had a great time. The group had a great time. It was all about the group, and everybody that was with us had an amazing journey, did an awesome job, enjoyed the experience, and that's what it's all about. And it's not just about me, but it's about the people that's on the journey with me. So I'm glad that I was able to bring everybody out and, you know, do something completely different. And you know, I always say, if it's not an adventure, it's not worth it. But then I want to add on to that, to not allow fear to deny the experience, because at the end of the day, you're not going to really know if you're up to it until you do it. And so I realized that kayaking is not for me, so I gracefully bow out. But I did try it and I enjoyed it, and you know, on with the next adventure, whatever that's going to be.